Today we are going for angioplasty. For that, we will first take the blood pressure. So we are putting the nebulizer, so giving the fresh oxygen. The oxygen is enough. After that, we are checking the heartbeat. So the heartbeat is normal. So you are seeing that we are checking the blood pressure. The temperature is a little bit high, but it's okay. It's not good. We are checking the temperature. So it's good, fine. Here, now we are putting the catheter. We are passing the angioplasty equipments. So the vein is completely blocked, and now we are putting the stents in this to open the vessel to free the blood supply. And we are succeeding, and the blood is running smoothly, and we have successfully eliminated the atherosclerotic plaque. We are removing the catheter because the operation is successful and angioplasty has been done.